If you have ever felt overwhelmed trying to manage different apps, tasks, and client accounts across multiple platforms, you are not alone. Modern digital work moves fast, and keeping everything connected can become a real challenge. That is where Albato steps in with a surprising solution. Albato gives you one visual space to build smart automations in clear, plain language, and it works with more than 1,000 supported apps. If you ever wondered how much time you could save by letting artificial intelligence handle your complex workflows, this platform invites you to find out. With a flowchart style editor, real-time validation, and secure client connection options, Albato offers a refreshing approach to automation that feels both powerful and easy to understand. This review explores its core strengths, why it stands out, and how to decide which AppSumo license tier fits your needs before the limited time deal ends. Albato focuses on making automation simple without reducing its capabilities. The visual editor is built like a clean, organized flowchart, so you can see every part of your process at a glance. Instead of trying to understand a long list of steps hidden in text form, you can move through each block visually. This helps you design complex paths, conditional routes, and dynamic logic with confidence. It feels more like drawing out your ideas rather than building something technical. Another major benefit is the real-time validation system. Every individual step in your automation can be tested instantly. This lets you find errors before your full workflow runs, removing guesswork and frustration. Albato shows real data samples at each stage, so you can see exactly how information moves between apps. It keeps the entire setup process transparent, which is helpful for teams who need clarity and accuracy in their integrations. Security also plays a leading role in Albato's design. When working with clients, you can connect their apps through a secure link without asking for login credentials. This reduces onboarding time and keeps sensitive information private. For agencies, this alone can save hours of communication and setup across multiple client accounts. The platform scales extremely well because it includes an expanded library of more than 1,000 integrated apps. This includes popular tools across categories such as communication, marketing, content management, productivity, and artificial intelligence. Each app connection includes updated triggers and actions, which leads to smoother performance and fewer compatibility issues. Albato also includes a helpful collection of ready-to-use connections, so you can build automations faster. These features make it useful for marketing agencies, small businesses, and independent professionals who want to improve their workflows without learning to code. Albato's AppSumo deal gives lifetime access across 4 license tiers. License Tier 1 begins at $89 and includes 15,000 operations each month. Higher tiers expand your operation limits, add faster update times, allow unlimited automation numbers, and include more advanced tools for data routing, execution logs, custom webhooks, and parallel execution. Because Albato is built to grow with your needs, selecting a higher tier can provide long-term value for teams handling large-scale workflows. Each tier is backed by AppSumo's 60-day guarantee, giving you time to explore the platform without pressure. If you want an automation system that removes complexity, increases clarity, and supports more than 1,000 connected apps, Albato is designed to help you streamline your work and free up valuable time. With the price increasing soon, now is the moment to secure the deal and see how far visual automation can take your business.